Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I thought I would use this dip pen set that I just got from Hobby Lobby. It's the Master's Touch brand. I did an unboxing, a little haul, and in the demo video, I used the ultramarine, and I thought that for this one, let's see, I want to do this floral. This Zentangle floral called Muscari by Elaine Benfato. And maybe we'll use the green. I think it's called mint green. So let's go ahead and use this ink. And there's gold shimmer here. I'm going to give it a shake. I also have a cup of water here. Now this is the pen rest. So let me grab the pen. This is the cap. This is the pen itself, and as I was playing around with it, this actually unscrews, and that's, well, I'm not going to take it all out, but this is very light compared to the other dip pens that I have because the glass goes all the way through, which here you can see just this portion here is the glass. But I do like this. It's very light. I don't think in the other video I demonstrated that the cap fits really snugly here on the back, and I don't think I demonstrated that it actually clicks tight there. Just want to be careful when you open it up that you don't crack that nib there. This pen rest, even in my other sets, I really don't use it. To tell you the truth, I never take it out. I think probably because I have my towel here and I usually rest my pen here and it doesn't roll. And so I have this card. This is from the January subscription kit, the original box from Minutes of Zen. She gave us, as part of the kit, calendar cards. So I never draw in June, and there's actually a couple of other months that I didn't draw in, and I really haven't done any of that. So I thought maybe I would go ahead and add this Zentangle to the card here. So let me go ahead, and I wear my gloves just because this ink can get all over the place. So let me just move some things out of the way. I'm going to open this. Just going to twist it. So hopefully it doesn't make too much of a mess. And then I'm just going to place, I just put that stopper in the cap. This way it doesn't get lost. All right, so let's take a look at how this is drawn, and maybe I will draw it on the back. I had used it to do the demo for the blue ink, so let's go ahead and do this for the green ink. So the way Muscari is drawn, let's see if I remember. It is, you're just going up, and then you're putting like this teardrop shape there, and then you're starting with these swirls. So just coming up, and a little swirl there, and a little swirl there, and then the next one comes and bumps, might be a little bit bigger. I start to see a little bit of that gold shimmer in there. I'm just going to rotate my pen, and maybe we'll make a larger one. And then as we come down, you're going to make a smaller one. So whenever you are ready, and then what you do is here from this tip, you're just coming on down. So it's almost like that old-fashioned muka. And then there were some variations that you can do. And I think maybe I will put just like a couple little dots there. But that is Muscari. And maybe I will put that here on the back. Let's go ahead and add that. I'm just going to go ahead and dip my nib back into the ink. And so maybe we can draw, you know, here's one coming on up, and then we have that leaf shape, a little bit crooked, but that's okay. There is no perfection in Zentangle. And then we'll start with maybe over here. I'm not having it necessarily bump up to that one there. But we have that going. And then coming back up here, want to make a larger. And you can make as many of these as you want. So maybe I am going to make this one smaller. And then down here, maybe I want to make another large one. And then some smaller ones. And perhaps I don't want to close it up like I did over here. And I'm going to dip my pen back in there, my nib, just to get a little bit more ink. Maybe there's fescue here or there. So then you just take it and make it your own. And you can see with this nib, I can also, you know, it has that ink there that I can fill that ink in, fill that spot in. Just like that. I think that's really pretty. And if you wanted to add maybe orbs or anything like that, of course you can go ahead and do that. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of grounding there, but I think I'm going to leave this one just like that. Maybe I could put, let me just dip it in, and maybe just a little swirl. Let's see if I can do this upside down. Yeah, just like that. And you can go on and on and on, of course. So this again is Muscari by Elaine Benfatto. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.